Hey everyone. Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best compound miter saws on the market for this year. If you're looking to take your woodworking game to new heights, these powerful tools are an absolute must-have in your workshop. We are going to show you our 5 selections, and we'll discuss whether they are worth purchasing or not. For additional details and the latest pricing on the mentioned products, visit the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. Metabo HPT 10-inch compound miter saw. The Metabo HPT is a workhorse when it comes to precision cutting. Its 15-amp motor generates a powerful 2,500 RPM, allowing you to slice through various materials with ease. The 10-inch 24 TTCT saw blade included with the tool is designed to deliver clean and accurate cuts, whether you're working with softwood, hardwood, or even composite materials. The miter cutting range of 0 to 52 degrees, left and right, gives you the flexibility to handle complex angles and intricate projects. Additionally, the bevel cutting range of 0 to 45 degrees to the left adds further versatility, perfect for crown molding or chamfered edges. The Metabo HPT features a horizontal handle with a comfortable elastomer grip, making it easy to control during operation. Number 2. DeWalt miter saw. The DeWalt is a beast of a miter saw, designed for professionals who demand top-notch performance. Its powerful 15-amp motor delivers an impressive 3,800 RPM, ensuring smooth and precise cuts through hardwoods, pressure-treated lumber, and even aluminum extrusions. What sets this miter saw apart is its dual bevel system, enabling bevel cuts up to 49 degrees in both directions, making it ideal for complex trim work and compound projects. The DWS780 also features a convenient XPS cross-cut alignment system with an ultra-bright LED light that casts a shadow on your workpiece, eliminating the need for additional laser guides and providing unmatched accuracy. The high-capacity dust collection system keeps your workspace clean and free from debris, allowing for better visibility and a safer working environment. Number 3. Skill 12-inch quick-mount compound miter saw with laser. The Skill is a reliable and user-friendly miter saw, suitable for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. Its 12-inch blade is driven by a 15-amp motor, ensuring consistent power for smooth cuts in various materials. The laser guide projects a precise cutting line onto your workpiece, ensuring you always have a clear visual reference for accuracy. The quick mount system allows for a swift and straightforward setup on a miter saw stand or workbench, enabling you to start your projects quickly and with ease. The 9 positive miter stops allow for quick adjustment to the most commonly used angles, saving you time and effort. The included dust collection bag helps keep your workspace clean and reduces airborne particles for a healthier work environment. Number 4. Genesis 15-amp 10-inch compound miter saw with laser. The Genesis is a feature-rich miter saw that comes bundled with a Worx Pegasus folding work table and sawhorse, providing a comprehensive woodworking setup. The 15-amp motor and 10-inch blade combination deliver powerful and precise cutting performance. The built-in laser guide ensures accurate alignment, enhancing your cutting precision. The 9 positive miter stops enable you to set common angles with ease, making repeat cuts efficient and consistent. As for the Worx Pegasus folding work table and sawhorse, it offers a generous work surface that can support up to 300 pounds. Number 5. Hitachi single bevel compound miter saw. The Hitachi is a reliable and budget-friendly option for woodworking enthusiasts. Its 10-inch blade and 15-amp motor work together to deliver accurate cuts through a wide range of materials. While it features a single bevel capacity of up to 45 degrees to the left, it is still highly capable of handling various bevel cuts for molding and trim work. The horizontal handle with an elastomer grip ensures a comfortable and secure hold, making it easy to control the saw during operation. The dust collection system keeps your work area cleaner and improves visibility for precise cutting. While it may not have the advanced features of some higher-end models, the Hitachi is a solid choice for hobbyists and beginners looking for a reliable and affordable miter saw. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Leave a comment for assistance. Enjoy life with our amazing products. Thanks for watching, have a great day.